everyone, welcome to another tutorial. First, let me show you the error. As you can see, it shows an SSL error. Let's fix this. Before this, just disable Windows security. Let's download the application from the official GitHub link. It will show as harmful, but it's not. You can see the application later. Let's run the application. Activate the application using the activation code. Now, go to the SSL Fixer option. Click the SSL Fixer button. Let's wait until the process is finished. Okay, now let's verify the error. As you can see, it works. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.